To understand building in coastal Florida, specifically in cities like Cape Coral, you have to account for the harsh environment. Properties here face intense humidity, corrosive salt air, and constant insect activity. A common homeowner misconception treats a modern pool enclosure as a temporary fixture. People often view it as a simple layer of mesh stretched across a few aluminum poles to block mosquitoes. When Cape Coral homeowner Liam Garcia evaluated his own property, he relied on a different thesis. He recognized that an enclosure provides immediate environmental control while simultaneously acting as a strategic real estate investment. This data visualization shows the stark divergence in property valuation brackets. Homes in bracket A, lacking an enclosure, sit longer on the market and sell for less. Homes in bracket B, featuring a premium enclosure, shift into a higher valuation bracket and sell significantly faster. To reach that higher valuation, an enclosure must be built as a structural asset. Achieving this market position depends on the specific engineering and legal standards applied during the construction process. Transforming an exposed backyard into a high-yield protected asset requires a precise, calculated workflow. Phase 1 is a rigorous structural assessment of the existing property. Phase 2 secures the legal foundation through bureaucratic compliance and custom wind load engineering. Phase 3 executes the physical build, utilizing advanced material science and high-precision installation. Mastering these three distinct phases guarantees a legally sound structure capable of surviving Florida hurricanes and passing strict property inspections. A professional site audit requires looking past the pool itself. You cannot simply measure the perimeter of the water and start building. The assessment requires analyzing the total geometric footprint of the existing house and its precise position on the lot. This site plan outlines property setbacks, invisible municipal boundaries dictating where you can legally build. If an enclosure crosses these restricted zones, the city halts construction, actively blocking future real estate transactions. Once the property lines are mapped, the analysis shifts downward to the physical concrete base of the site. Here, the foundation rule applies. You cannot safely anchor heavy aluminum framing to an aging or standard concrete patio. This cross-section compares the load-bearing capabilities of two bases. A thin concrete slab cracks under structural columns. A deep, reinforced footer distributes that load safely, keeping the structure legally compliant. Structural integrity and legal compliance are established below ground, well before the first piece of aluminum is ordered. Florida building codes enforce a strict engineering mandate. Because of the constant threat of severe weather, every new enclosure must be designed to withstand hurricane-force winds. This wireframe demonstrates how high-velocity wind vectors interact with a lightweight aluminum frame. Without specific adaptations, the frame fails under localized aerodynamic stress. By drafting custom plans calculating precise load distributions for the specific address, engineers neutralize the wind vectors and stabilize the build. Site-specific wind load engineering provides the mathematical shield required to protect the physical real estate investment. While structural engineers calculate wind loads, a parallel legal process begins at City Hall to secure municipal approval. The timeline of the build is officially initiated by filing a notice of commencement. This flowchart maps the bureaucratic pipeline: digital contracts, engineering plans, notice of commencement, and City Hall approval. Navigating alone risks total paralysis. Active, expert project management drives these documents through bottlenecks, verifying every step until legally binding approval is secured. Strict bureaucratic compliance is as critical as a concrete footer. Without municipal approval, the strongest physical structure is treated as an illegal liability. With the paperwork signed and the engineering validated, execution officially moves to the job site to begin the physical transformation of the property. The construction utilizes heavy-gauge aluminum extrusions. This material density combats the continuous degradation caused by Florida's salt air and humidity. To maintain joint integrity over decades of exposure, specialized corrosion-resistant anchors and fasteners are used at every connection point. Fitting these aluminum joints demands a high degree of precision. A loose connection immediately compromises the specific wind load ratings calculated by the engineers. Once the frame is secured, the screen tensioning process begins. This is a highly calibrated physical procedure, entirely different from simply draping mesh over metal. This vector illustration details the strict zero sag tolerance standard. Bidirectional tension forces are actively applied across a single mesh panel to achieve perfect tautness, ensuring the screen will not sag under accumulated debris, nor stretch out of shape during high wind events. Meticulous precision during the installation phase guarantees the engineered blueprint performs flawlessly in reality. With the city inspector's final signature, the backyard transitions into a protected oasis, supported by the structural and legal standards established during the build. The tightly stretched screen creates a protected microclimate over the pool, eliminating environmental intrusions like insects and water debris. For the homeowner, the immediate functional return on investment is pure comfort. The backyard becomes a reliable space for uninterrupted outdoor remote work or family relaxation. The long-term economic return is equally measurable. By meeting every engineering and permitting requirement, the property has been moved into a higher valuation bracket as a legally sound real estate asset. This chart maps a dual-sided financial incentive program, rewarding client networking. A $500 incentive goes to the referring client, matched precisely by a $500 discount on the new client's build. This ecosystem creates a compounding effect, elevating property values across entire neighborhoods. This level of environmental control is available for your property. Message our team for a structural consultation and begin the process of engineering your own